Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe. Then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM no way. What the problem is and I'll solve it. Okay, so I was saying, say MP Nini 8 was complaining about Dumso. And he was complaining bitterly because only the washing machine. I was telling him, I said, next time it might not be his washing machine. And thank you so much, Manuel. Said next time it might not be his washing machine. It may be something even more expensive because about to be is consequences. About to be is consequences. And he, in a lucky crown, say only the power. He's in power, so he will not feel the pain like that. He can get money and go and buy it, another one, and replace it. After all, what? Money swine. They are getting the money. They are sitting on tons of money. They're only sharing it between themselves, family, and then the slave queens. Until you see that this time around, no slave queens, their market has scam. The market has bar off. What I say, you are getting cars, you are getting houses, and all. That is a government that is in power for you. Do so a lot of earlier today. I was listening to one live, and an ice cream seller was complaining bitterly. Ice cream seller, she was angry, complaining. Ni ice cream kia wa yeno. Doom something I say. Yeah, people are losing money. Cold store people are crying. Local hospitals are much for mobiles are cost. So even the cost of keeping the body of a dead relative or hospital crown, that one also has gone up. I didn't hear doing something. Yes, because the mortuary must run at every point in time. Mortuary, at every point in time, it must run. And for it to run, if there is light out, what do? They need generator. Now, if you have been around a mortuary before, you realize the fridges they use are high consuming fridges. And they consume a lot. And under Mahama, with this current doomsok condition, even though when losing your relative are painful already, you have to spend more to keep that relative in the mortuary. So you know more people are no longer able to afford the leisure of keeping their dead ones for 3 months, 6 months to properly plan a funeral because of doomsok price now cost. And these are all the things happening. Now, say doomsok is on the magnitude and on which we are seeing it. Then we have some Ghanaians who still listen to people like Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor. Kevin or your beer people still listening to. That will tell you, say, MPP Fona or Marco certifier baby no. You think about the whole thing and you wonder how some people's brains have been formed. When NDC came to power, 2025 year last year, almost everyone they claim was an MPP person. They sack almost everyone because they feel say they cannot trust people who have been employed by the S1 administration. And see, after sacking almost everyone that you people claim, now MPP for no. Which MPP people are now left in the system to sabotage Akosombo? When we have questions that we must ask. And you see, it is only a country like ours, Ghana, in which people like Kevin Taylor can get relevance. I tell you, there be some serious nations. Say, even Nigeria for crying. Even Nigeria, someone like Kevin Taylor will not have the mouth. I mean, will not have the fan base that he has. I thought that they would during the whole process. How does someone like Kevin Taylor have people to listen to him night after night? And people believe him. Hey, people believe him rough. Last time we went to I think that was at the hospital. The woman was talking and I do something and MPP4B no matter. Hey, I was watching the woman. I was like, now this woman, it's all well with this woman. MPP for a bra NDC ne wa ban, then MPP for are able to go and set fire. Akosombo. Unless you have not been to Akosombo before, the entirety of Akosombo town in a security zone. The entirety of the town, Akosombo town, the entirety is security zone. Before you even reach where the dam is crying, and yes, small checkpoints. Until when someone comes to tell you, say, MPP for Aqua set fire, or transmission rumor, you must ask yourself, say, Charlie, no, this one, NDC new, but this one, does not make sense. But we have some people who are like robots. Whatever they hear, they run with. Whatever they hear, that's what they believe. And they believe it with all their heart. All their heart, oh. And they go about also saying it, sharing it, telling people, this is MPP 40. We are all suffering. Are we not all suffering? We are all suffering. Media, now I've told myself that I'm not going to be shouting on top of my voice again. Provided I'm not the only person who is suffering, I'm okay. Okay, I mean, that one, I'll have an issue. But provided it's not only myself, no problem. Let's all be in it. So we can keep blaming it on MPP people, NDC for Abemo, and even these NDC people who are in power, even their version 1.0, you know from that 2015 that they can go and set fire to a whole medical store. NDC for no, and the country lost 200 million Ghana cedis. Those are the people who come back today and come and tell you, say, NDC, MPP, and you are believing that. Please. Sometimes, you see, the way you sell yourself or the way you present yourself will determine how much you'll be priced. And sometimes, let's be a little bit, I mean, if you don't have school sense, we have the home sense. For someone to tell you that, say, under NDC government, MPP people can have the power to go and set fire, it does not make sense. So, Dunsono is continuing like never before. We are back to doom so like we never left. Now, no Krebakunso was say there is a debt that this government must pay. Your mama's government. Debt no 700 million US dollars. 700 million US dollars. And that is the money that is owed independent power producers as we are speaking today. Yeka independent power producers are companies are generating electricity are using. And here were America Power, Saint Power, and the others. They are telling government, say, Sika Udieka, and Tiskano Wambetia, Yama power, no, we will not give you the power. This is what government does not want to tell you. This is what government does not want you to know. Frank, as is saying, but they themselves know, say, indeed, no, if they are able to find the 700 million US dollars and pay the IPPs, will have power. That is why this doomsday started since last year. And to get transformer, BRSM. No one should deceive you, say they are changing transformers. You see, when you start talking, then you see some NDC for Omaba, you can see them. When NDC people come, you can see them. In the comment section, you can see them. And when you go and tap on their profile, time. I swear you, if you like, go and tap on that great Putin, go to his page and go and see his face. And in science, let me just digress a little bit. When him say, in mental health, when you see somebody's face, it can tell you about the state of their mind. You, most of the time, have you ever seen a very handsome arm robber before? No, be that. Arm robber, very, very handsome. Nah. People, sometimes your mental state can turn into your physical appearance. And let's move away from those people. Zen 88 is laughing. Let me move. Where was I credit for this guy came to confuse me? Okay, so I think I was talking about 700 million US dollars. A car. This government must pay to the IPPs. That thing is given to them. So 700 million US dollars, no. Government must get that money, pay the IPPs, and then we'll have light. Until they pay the IPPs that money, don't so neko. But I'm asking myself, Sami Jefi came to tell you and I say, just by gold board coming into place, they have been able to sell gold and get in some about 10 billion United States dollars. And for me figure now, let's pay attention. Sami Jefi said they have 10 billion United States dollars from gold transactions. And where does that money go? Into government's pocket. Government is owing less than 1 billion. Ideally, it should not be hard for government to then pay the people. So why is government not able to pay just over 700 million US dollars for you and I to have light? It tells you, say, even that figure they came to tell us about the 10 billion, and yet true. Number two, we must ask ourselves, say, if indeed Sikawa Meka say 10 billion is not true, they have made that money, then the gold that is over 15 tons of gold that they have sold, no, who did they sell it to? They must now answer that question. Who did you sell the gold to? What did you do with the money? These are questions that today you cannot have answers to because they are hiding the books. When you write, when you apply through right to information, they are denying, they are turning it down. But by all means, 2029 will come. And in 2029, they will not have the choice to say that, okay, we will not show you whatever we are doing. That one, they will not have a choice. By force, they will have to show it. And that is when we will need an expansion for Nsawam. Because the way NDC for criminally manages this current situation in which we are, our economy, the way they are selling our assets like there is no tomorrow, people must be held responsible for it. And that accountability will only come when Dr. Mahama Aden is sworn in as the next president of this republic. And it's for that reason that we will not rest. We will keep exposing the incompetence of this His Excellency John Dramani Mahama government until Ghanaians throw them out of power in 2028. So, as for Dumson, there is not any today, it's not any tomorrow. The air transformers, the former MD of ECG, Air Tofik, has come out to speak. Apparently, all the transformers that NDC4 are boasting of today were purchased by MPP. Let's listen carefully. All the transformers are 3,000 over transformers that NDC4 are claiming, say, they are changing transformers across this country. All the transformers were actually purchased under President Akufo Addo and Dr. Mahama Aden. And in fact, under MPP government, we had installed over 1,000 of them, left with about 2,000, and that is what they are doing now. And don't be deceived, say, over 8 years, MPP for money maintenance, BI, and all those. How do you even believe that? I don't get, sometimes when you think about the whole thing, it baffles my mind. A party was in power for 8 years, and your lights were on. From 2017 to 2025 that we handed over, your lights were on. And if somebody comes back, and then there is light out, and that person is giving you reasons for that light and telling you that the party that just left is to be blamed, how do you believe that? Like, what you want to say? I don't get it. It's like you were in one church after church service every day. They give you bread and some nice drink to take, right? And then they transfer the pastor. Another pastor comes. Then after church, you are waiting for bread. There's no bread. There's no drink. Then you ask, oh, why? Where is the bread? Where is the drink? Then they tell you that the pastor who they transferred has left with maybe the key to the fridge. So during the handing over, he didn't ask for the key. You see, so it does not make sense. So don't trust, don't believe NDC. Wherever they go, there is darkness. That is it. Wherever NDC goes, darkness follows. So we have Nana Odum Kania the first. John Dramani Mahama back into power.